Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a website in just 5 minutes using VQ. VQ is a platform that allows you to easily create a website with unlimited hosting and templates to choose from. Let's get started. First, go to the VQ website and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can choose the category for your website. You can choose from categories like business, portfolio, blog, or e-commerce. Next, select the template that you want to use for your website. VQ has a wide range of templates to choose from, so take your time and find the one that works best for your needs. Once you've selected your template, you can begin editing your website. It is provide you to back-end and front-end also. VQ makes it easy to customize your website by providing a drag-and-drop editor. Simply drag and drop elements like text, images, and videos to create your perfect website. As you edit your website, you can preview your changes in real time to see how it will look to your visitors. This makes it easy to make adjustments and get your website looking just the way you want it. When you're finished editing your website, simply click the Publish button and your website will be live on the internet for the world to see. And the best part is, VQ offers unlimited hosting, so you don't have to worry about running out of space or bandwidth. So there you have it, a website created in just 5 minutes with VQ. If you want to try it out for yourself, the link to VQ is in the description below. Happy website building!